Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we will explore MicroAlgo in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 17th of September, 2025, and we are here now to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 16th of September, 2025, our system has ranked MicroAlgo as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.28. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 14.39% since we first identified MicroAlgo as a buy candidate 2 days ago. This represents an average return of 7.19% per day since being designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. Analyzing the current 3-month trend reveals a potential change of approximately 84.53% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 19.66% to 246% to 59%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 16.77%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance may vary from negative 87.38% to positive 165.20% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would imply a future price likely to fall between $1.45 and $30.36. Our latest daily update for MicroAlgo includes the headline, Big Movements in MicroAlgo Inc. stock price on Wednesday, moving 33.75% between high and low. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price gained 14.39% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 17th of September, 2025, rising from $10.01 to $11.45. It has now gained for 5 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 33.75% with a low of $10.06 and a high of $13.45. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 34.71% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume has also increased, with 2 million more shares changing hands compared to the day before. In total, 3 million shares were traded for approximately $36,670,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $32.40, while the lowest price was 50 cents. Currently, the price is 64.66% or $20.95, below the 52-week high and 99.92% or $14,288.55, below the all-time high on the 13th of December, 2022, when the price reached $14,300. MicroAlgo has recently achieved a significant milestone. The company has reported its first profitable year and is currently trading at a notably discounted generally accepted accounting principles price-to-earnings ratio of 0.58 compared to a sector median of around 28. With a robust balance sheet and minimal debt, this earnings turnaround, along with a strategic expansion into Hong Kong, diminishes concentration risk and enhances the stock's appeal to value and income-focused investors in the near term. In recent months, MicroAlgo has introduced a consistent stream of technical innovations, starting with advancements in quantum edge detection, quantum convolutional neural networks, and variational auto-optimization in May. Following that, there were notable progressions in quantum error correction and encryption in June, culminating with the announcement of a Grover-based algorithm for identifying pure Nash equilibria in July. This progression indicates a clear momentum in research and development for quantum algorithms and secure quantum imaging. In the short term, profitability and diversification may elevate the stock as analysts reassess its valuation and risk profile. However, this surge of research announcements might be perceived as speculative until tangible commercial products or licensing agreements come to fruition. Looking ahead, the successful commercialization of these quantum technologies or strategic partnerships could significantly transform revenue and profit margins. Nonetheless, execution risk, time to market, and reliance on the adoption of quantum hardware remain crucial factors that could pose challenges. Analysts have provided MicroAlgo stock with an overall neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts also assign the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for MicroAlgo. The MicroAlgo Incorporated stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal derived from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average exceeds the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $9.31 and $9.07. A drop below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 22, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 24.42%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest to you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal was observed 41 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was noted just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average, a sell signal was recorded 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal was indicated 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 2 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average, a buy signal was observed 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal was noted 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $10.50 and $10.01. There's a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, MicroAlgo Inc. finds support just below today's level at $10.50. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $10.01 and $8.79. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $3.39 between its high and low, or 33.75%. Over the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 13.98%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for MicroAlgo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A relatively low price-to-earnings ratio could signal a low expectation for the company's future, or indicate that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo stands at $11.66. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroAlgo meets its first support level at $10.50. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from various analyst sources is neutral. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 30th of September, 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited executed an insider purchase of 0 shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.82, reflecting a decrease of 5.52%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 40 days ago. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? MicroAlgo Inc. exhibits several positive indicators and is experiencing a robust upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a wise choice at these current levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been revised from a buy to a strong buy recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 18th of September, we anticipate MicroAlgo will open higher by approximately 0.0210 of a dollar and begin trading at $11.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.